In this video, we're going to do a lab for dictionaries. Dictionaries is a little bit different to lists and the tuples. Dictionary, they actually store a pair of data. It's a key and a value, or name and value. It's a pair. So you're gonna have key one, like a key and a value all the time. You can basically use the column to indicate that's a key and a value, and use comma to separate them. In this lab, we're going to show you how to construct a dictionary, how to access object from the dictionary, and how the nested dictionary works, and the basic dictionary methods. So first of all, let's construct a dictionary. A dictionary can be simply constructed by assigning a dictionary objects to a variable, and this variable then can be used to access the dictionary. Dictionary, normally you don't use the index for the key and values. However, if you treat the whole thing as a pair, then you probably can, especially when you have a for loop, then you can access the dictionary like that way. But most of the time, people don't use that way. People use the key to directly find the value of a dictionary. So dictionary is not ordered. It's not ordered. It generally is not treated as a sequence. But when you look at the whole pair, you probably still can loop the whole dictionary by using a for loop. So generally, when we actually access the dictionary, we use the key. And it's important to note that dictionary are very flexible in the data types. It can be any kind of data types. It can be a integer, can be a list, can be a list of integer, a list of the a string. So it's basically an object. Okay, so for example, let's have first assigned the dictionary, and then we can actually, let me go ahead and erase all the output, then we can actually show you. So I'm going to assign a dictionary. Now I want to access key 3. That will basically give me the value of item 012, right? So I will just show you items 1012. You can also call an index on that value. For example, if I have the key 3, now key 3, the whole thing, this part is going to give me this lists. Then I can access the list, the very first elements of the lists. That's going to give me the item 0. So, and then I can do 0.append. Now we can actually change to upper, right? We can make it upper, because up to this one, it's basically is item 0. Then we can do the string upper. We can call the string methods. We can affect the values of a key as well. So we can have first find the values, and then we can subtract the key's value and assign the value. So the value now it becomes 0. It was 1, 2, 3. Now it becomes 0. So the keys are not changeable, and it has to be unique. However, the values are changeable and doesn't have to be unique. So in this case, I make the changes of key 1. Now because key 1 it was 0, now I minus 1, 2, 3. That's gonna give me a negative 1, 2, 3, and then I can create a new dictionary, and then I can add elements by just assigning a key and value, and I will be able to add elements to the dictionary. So this will give me how do we add. Sometimes we are going to see listing with dictionaries. So we may have dictionary, and inside the dictionary, So in that case, it's quite complex. It is quite complex. However, it still follows the same philosophy. It's same methodology. Um, it's kind of interesting. So we can calling the keys. We can see key one. When we are calling key one, it's basically retrieve the whole thing of this listed value. The listed dictionary is actually a value for key one. Now I'm calling the key listed key, which is this key. It's gonna give me the value of this part, and then I click. I'm calling the key of this dictionary. It's gonna give me the value. So when I click run, it's gonna print the value. A few dictionary methods will be, so first of all, let's have the dictionary, and then we can get a list of keys. We can get a list of keys. We can get a list of values, and then we can get the pair of the dictionary. We can give the whole pair of dictionary. So that's a good basic understanding of dictionaries. That's all for the lab of dictionaries.